So hello and welcome to a video all about bike packing gear. This is all from Brae, or Brae, B-R-A-E. It's Brae means hill, I think it is in Scotland. So yeah, that's what the company is named after. Their motto is ride as often for as far as you can, and we want to be part of your vision. Well, that's what it's all about, bike packing gear. I've done a couple of bike packing adventures and I've used this bike and my other bike, and I'm very new to this, but they've been kind enough to send me some gear to have a bit of a go and try it all out. This is fantastic. So I've got some notes on my phone, and it's only purely so I can remember what I've got here, because I've got pannier bags, I've got a dry bag, I've got a saddle bag, I've got a top frame bag, and I've got a front handlebar bag. These two are not part of the kit, they've just been added on. So yeah, let me have a quick look and I'll just run through what I've got here. So we're going to start off with what notes I've got on my phone, and then I'm going to go from there. So to start off with the saddle bag. The saddle bag obviously is what it says it is. It sits underneath the saddle. There's a little clips either side of it, and you just basically clip it onto the saddle, and it locks in place. And in the back you've got two clips on the side. This is a 1 litre back. It unrolls out, and inside then you can keep your stuff like your toolkit and spanners and things like that, or anything you want to keep nice and dry. These are 100% waterproof. All their gear is waterproof. It's designed to be used in all kinds of weather. If it's a Scottish name, it's under Scottish weather. So the size is 1 litre. Dimensions are 13 centimetre by 7 centimetre by 20 centimetres. It weighs 109 grams. Very nice little pack. Let's see what's next. Handlebar pack. So our handlebar pack is this one, and we have the 2 litre one. They also do a 7 litre one. The 2 litre pack is this one. It's really nice. It's got a beautifully waterproof zip on the front. It does work very nicely, very easy. It's got a long lanyard on it as well, so you can get hold of it and it's not going to come off because it's all been tied on really nicely. There's 2 little pouches either side as well for keeping all your little knickknacks in. Maybe you've got some sweet bars that I've kept down here. You know, you want to keep a sweet handy, that you've got something really easy and grab out of it. Very simple. This is a 2 litre bar. There's a little leash on the side, a little leash that you just drop around the tie to your bars to stop it from flapping around. And you've got these 2 little Velcro straps on the top that you can adjust and have it fit into any size bars. Unfortunately, it fits underneath my brake cables on here, not quite as accessible, but if you've got an open front bar without these on, it'll be really fantastic. So that's 2 litre. Let me give you some dimensions and sizes. 100% recyclable material. It's 2 litre capacity, it's 98 grams, and the size is 12 centimetres by 20 centimetres by 12 centimetres, and Velcro attached. Nice and simple. Moving on to the next one. Look at these great big, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about, these panniers. These panniers are absolutely fantastic. They are 25 litres each. They do them in red and black. They do all this stuff in red or black. I will be putting all the prices up on the screen as we go along, but you can get a pair of these at the moment for £93, reduced from retail price at 110, or a single one for £54, reduced from 60. These are really nice, fully waterproof. So the idea behind these is you undo the 2 clips either side, you unroll them, and you can get all your gear in and out. I've just got a sleeping bag in there at the moment just to demonstrate this, and then you roll it up nice and tight, squeeze the air out, compress them right down nice and hard and tidy. As you roll them up, it makes them waterproof. Put your clips in either side, and that just seals and keeps it all down nice and dry. And you can cinch them in as well, but they are packed down really tight and nice and tidy. They don't come off, and if I just move this out of the way for you so you can have a look, they don't come off. They stay on really well. They've got a small lanyard on the top there, and they've got 2 little plastic clips that clip over the top of your pannier rack. They fit all sorts of pannier racks in different sizes as well. There's 2 little grey clips that go on the inside. I've taken them out so it fits my rack, and all you do is literally pull it off and slide them off. There's a clip on the back there which is adjustable. It slides up and down and fits on the bottom of the frame, so you basically slide that on the bottom of the frame, drop this in place, and that's it. It's on. It's really simple, so you can pick them up, take them with you. There's also a couple of little hooks on the back, so you can actually hook these down. Got D-rings on them, so you can actually chain them on if you wanted to chain them on. I don't see the reason why, because you're going to be on your bike anyway. Give you some dimensions and some spill for these. So they're 50 litres, 25 litres each, 100% constructed with fully welded seams, so that means they're all watertight. So the material is a 600D TPU, tough and water resistant. They weigh 970 grams per bag, and the dimensions are 40 centimeters, 21 centimeters by 38 centimeters. All this comes with a 5-year warranty as well, which is absolutely fantastic. It really is. So a little top frame bag. This is my favorite little bag. I've had this on my other bike, and I've just put it on this one just for demonstration. So this can actually go here. The reason I've got this very cheap one I've got off of Amazon is purely because it's got a great big phone pocket on the top there, and I can put my phone in it and see my phone. So that's the only real reason for that. But yeah, this will actually go up this way or down underneath, and I like it underneath the seat because it's just as easy to get to. It's got a waterproof zip on it. They've all got waterproof zips there. They're all sealed in. So this is 1 litre. It's a top tube bag. Retails at 30. It's down to 23 at the moment. So we've got a zip on the top, really nice. Keep all my tools and spanners in there as well. Again, stuff I want to get hold of, and snacks, waterproof gloves and things, a little snoot. And again, there's a little zip on the side where you can keep your snacks. And I like this because it's one hand, you can undo it, take your snacks out, zip it up, eat your snacks, and put your rubbish back in the bag, and away you go. Again, it's velcroed on, the velcro around the back. There's a velcro 2-foot straps underneath there as well to hold them in place. This is a durable nylon, 1 litre, dimensions are 13 centimeters, 7 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and it weighs 109 grams, and it will fit tubes up to 45 millimeters. Again, 5-year warranty, the same as everything else. Last but not least is this one. This one I haven't actually used. I've just brought it out to show you it and to give you a look and see what it is. This is a waterproof bag. So they do a 3 litre and they do a 5 litre. They also do a 60 centimetre Velcro bike straps. The straps are extra. You can buy them for £2 each. They're for strapping, obviously strapping it down to wherever you want to strap this thing to. You can strap this to. It's a nice little waterproof bag. 3 litre one. This one retails at £20, and at the moment it's £18. I love these little bags. I take them swimming with me when I go in the sea and stuff like that, because I can keep all my keys and my phone and stuff like that in them, and they're all locked in. Again, they've got 2 little D-rings. You can either put them on a lanyard and hang them around your neck, or if you're worried about people getting into there, put a little padlock on there and no one can actually unroll that. It's quite easy. Again, this is designed so it can go anywhere. It's a 500D PVC, durable or water resistant. Dimensions are 28 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and it weighs 137 grams. And the design of this is you can actually put it anywhere. You can wrap it around your frame, so you can have it on your front forks, you can have it underneath if you need it underneath, somewhere like this. You can have it in between. I've got a battery that goes in here, and I can wrap it around underneath the battery. It just gives me that extra carrying capacity for all the extra bits and pieces I want to carry with it. So yeah, brilliant little idea, and going to be used a lot. So if you want to know anything else, please do contact me. I will do my utmost to find out the information, and any discount codes I have for any of this gear, product information will be in the description below and up on the screen while I'm talking. So thanks for watching. Please check out the website. It's well worth having a look at. They've got some great gear. It's a very small family-run company, and thank you very much for sending it to me. That's all I can say. It's been brilliant. We used it last weekend. We've had a couple of nights out, and it's been perfect for what I want to do and get into. So ciao for now, see you soon, and check out my other gear as well. I've got some other stuff that I've been looking at. I'm definitely trying. I want to do some more bike packing, and this is definitely the way to do it. Ta-da.